So we got the fireman there now. Oh, look at the light he put on. They put it out. It's not a legal fire, you know. Are fires legal in Vancouver? Climate change fires? Oh yeah, they're rampant. I like that light. That is a pretty nice light. Oh, they made the smoke go away. So, yeah, that's taxpayers. Taxpayers, you pay for this. This is probably about $2,000 to send a truck out to put that little tiny toxic climate change, you know, fire out. There's people these days that don't even know that smoke is dangerous for you. I would like people that think we don't have a right to complain about smoke, that you hang out with some toxic smoke, breathe it for a night, see how you feel the next day, you know?